Hi friends, today I will tell you a story about the fox and the parrot. Once upon a time in the morning, a fox saw a parrot fly off with a piece of bread in its beak. The fox wanted the bread, so he thought for an idea. Then he got one. "Good morning, Mr. Parrot. I heard your voice is the most beautiful among the birds. Let me hear but one song from you." The parrot became proud of herself and started to sing, but the moment she opened her mouth, the bread fell to the ground. The fox took the bread. "Ha ha ha, that's all I want. For exchange of your bread, I will give you a piece of advice for your future. Do not trust the flatterers."